Welcome to FediBoard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. It's time to get into serious Curator features. The one everybody ranked as the #1 top priority, the magazine lists. These magazine lists will be used to process Copilot Flipper and Reflipper campaigns smoothly. Special thanks to Flipboard's Curator Econopass for providing this video sequence with real magazines to work with. Depending on your plan, you can create a certain number of magazine lists, including a certain amount of magazines per list. Let's now create a list, shall we? A travel magazine list it will be. Let's build it. Your account profile page is loaded, and you will notice the panel on the top right. It's telling you what to do to build your list. Let's select a few. This one too. You can select or deselect any magazine as you wish. It becomes green when selected. Another one here. And this one also. This one too. And this one also. Now, we're done with the selection of 20 travel magazines. Let's save it. Done. You can see it appearing in the section with the edit and delete icons. Let's edit the list again and add another important magazine that was missing. This is the one, the Flipboard User Group magazine. Now added, total of 21 magazines. Let's save it again. Perfect. Let's quickly create another list now. Let's say about wellness. I'm proceeding the same way, selecting the magazines I want to flip into for a related health or wellness story. Let's make it 7 and save. We now have 2 lists that will be selectable from the Flipper or Reflipper sections to run a targeted campaign. The next video will cover how to run a real flip and a reflip campaign live. The magic happening right in front of your eyes. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao.